Now we will explore how music therapy is used in hospitals to support and assist patients. This lesson was presented at a health career fair for Pathfinders at the International Camporee in the United States, showcasing surprising ways that people might not typically associate with health.
Tonight I'm with Andrew, and Andrew, like a lot of you, loves music.
That's right. I've been playing piano for over 10 years.
10 years, that is a long time. Well, tonight we'll be meeting someone who uses their musical talents to help people in the hospital feel whole.
Oh, wait a minute. Musicians work in hospitals?
Yes, music is everywhere. So let's dive into a world where melodies mend minds and harmonies heal hearts. So Madison and Sabrina, can you guys tell me just what gave you or started your love for music therapy?
So I was in high school and I always loved music and I loved performing. I was a theater kid, I did choir, and then I also really loved medicine. And so I heard about music therapy from a family member who worked at a hospital who had a music therapist. And so when I heard about that as a career option, I started looking it up online, reading more about it, and then from then on I was like, okay, that's what I want to do.
What's a day in the life like for a music therapist?
Basically, we have a list of patients. Those patients came from referrals from our medical teams who think these patients would benefit from music therapy, that it would help them while they're here in the hospital. So that could be helping with pain, helping with anxiety, nerves. It can be helping with coping, and we can do so many things. So I have a cart of instruments with percussion instruments, with drums. I've also got my guitar with me, and we can be playing instruments together, or we can be writing a song together. I can be teaching an instrument. They could also just be listening to the song to help them relax.
So our younger babies, we might be working on things like sensory integration. Will we be singing? We might be touching. We might have guitar with us. And then we also have older babies that we see who maybe have complex medical needs. So we'll be working on developmental milestones, using toys and instruments and things like that. Who knows, Charlotte? Maybe one day you'll inspire a whole bunch of people to become music therapists.
High five.
It really varies. Every day is different, every session is different, and it's very exciting.
So what words of advice would you give to someone like me who might be interested in going into music therapy?
So I think, first of all, having a passion for music is really important, obviously. And then also having a passion for wanting to help people, because that's really at the core of what we do. We use music to help people. The more I've been here, the more I've come to value the organization itself and how much Advent Health values whole person care and how that really impacts patients and their families, and kind of how music therapy fits into that has been something that's been really meaningful to me.
Wow, that was a blast. Today, I really learned how music therapy can help people.
That's amazing, Andrew.
Music therapy was one of many career opportunities highlighted at the International Camporee. From sports medicine to flight nursing, a range of exciting health careers was presented to thousands of Pathfinders.